welcome to my channel. Today I am making apple crumble, and who doesn't love apple crumble? After all, it is probably the quintessential Sunday lunch food. If you enjoy this recipe, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll get things underway. I have a dish here I've just greased with a little butter. I have 650 grams of Bramley apples here that I have just peeled, cored and chopped roughly into the dish with them. Spread them out. I need 75 grams of caster sugar, and if you are using eating apples, you can certainly reduce the sugar because these are quite tart and not very sweet at all. So that's just about 3 tablespoonfuls. Just get that quick little mix together. And that is the apple element sorted. Now on with the crumble. So I have 200 grams here of plain flour. A 100 grams of cold cubed butter. In with that. And it's just a matter of pressing the butter into the flour between your thumbs and your forefingers until it resembles almost like a breadcrumb consistency. You could do this in a food processor, but it's such a simple dessert. It's hardly worth the extra washing up of doing it in a processor. And that's it. That is done up. Remove the excess from my hands. Now, so we had caster sugar in the apple part, and I want here for this, I want that crunchy brown sugar. I think of this as coffee sugar. And this will add such crunch to the crumble. And I've also got another element that really adds to the crunch factor. 25 grams of flaked almonds. Yeah. Got just a little bit left, so I'll add them. Not enough to do anything else with. And simply just mix this through with a fork now. And this is ready to top the apples. As simple as that. Just flatten them out slightly. Try and cover the apples as best you can. Don't worry if an odd bit sticks out. And that, my friends, is the simple and humble apple crumble. This just needs to go into a heated 200-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. That would be 180 fan. And pudding will be ready. And that, guys, is my apple crumble, as easy as that. I'm ready to eat. It is best to leave this 15-20 minutes after it comes out of the oven, because it tastes much better when you can actually taste it and you're not burning the roof of your mouth on it. So looking forward to this. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be. It smells incredible. Has to be one of my favorites. And I love with it just to pour some double cream over. That is so good. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want me to cook next. And thank you for watching. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we